All right, guys, here we go. First big one, first really big smallmouth of the season. Let's go. Welcome back to Bass Feed. This is Braden again, and we're going out to a popular smallmouth lake in the area, and it is our 4th weekend in a row with showers and cold temperatures. So this season has been a grind for everybody here in the Northwest, and I'm sure elsewhere as well, because these storms are vast and they're covering big parts of the US as they move through. So I know this area isn't the only area struggling with these terrible temps. Having that said, these fish, I've learned, do not just rely on water temperature. Otherwise, these fish wouldn't have moved an inch, because we are right where we were in early March. So that's 4 weeks with the temps hovering in the mid 40s. That's terrible, and has really put a damper on my big fish hunt of this year. And I'm still grinding. I still get out there and poke around, and although I don't have the most experience pre-spawn on this lake, which is Lake Stevens, I have a pattern that's developing for me in the last week or two. I've only been out there a couple times, but all my fish are coming off rock piles, and they're shallow, relatively shallow. I'm not having to go way out deep to find these fish like early March. But so, in a nutshell, these fish move regardless of the temperature's not. And that's a big lesson for me, because for those of you who get on the water and have that tunnel vision just looking at water temps are getting stumped, because these fish are moving forward regardless. And so there's a balance between water temps and just the calendar, because this is the exact same weather we've been experiencing for weeks. I mean, barely the lows creeped up, but water temperatures haven't changed. All right, thanks again for tuning in. See you in a little bit. Nice, nice. That's what I'm talking about. It's a tough bite, but I got this guy to bite. Yeah. Story of the day is rock. Rock, rock, rock. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Felt like I hooked into a freaking log. And it's not even as big. It just felt big. Oh, this is good. Boat flip your big ass. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. It's a good one. It's a good one. So come on, baby. Oh, barely hooked. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, take a look at where this is hooked. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Can you say lucky? I think so. Woo. That is a beast. It's a beast. That is a tank. It's a trophy fish right there. Giant. Pinned him good. He wasn't going anywhere. Well, my line held. Shoot. Wait on this girl. She's fat though. She is plump. Mm-hmm. There we go. That's a big one. That's a big one. Ooh, we went a little bigger on this one. Yes, we did. Ooh, that's a fucking pig. That's a fucking giant. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Look at the size of this beast. Biggin. Biggin. That's a biggin. Oof. Tank. It's a fucking tank. Holy shit. I might even be a PB. You should take a better look at this thing. Fucking tank. Woo. My goodness.